Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Active brand washing machine cleaner Descaler. This is a 24-pack deep cleaning tablets for HE front loader and top loader washing machine. Septic safe, eco-friendly deodorizer, clean inside drum and laundry tub seals. This is a 12-month supply. It's amazing, we don't think about cleaning our washer machines, but if you really look under the tub and you do some wiping with a rag, you'll see that it gets a lot of sediment built up. This works with all washers, high efficiency or standard top loader, front loading, compatible with GE, LG, Samsung, Whirlpool, Maytag, Electrolux. You don't use this in the dryer, just a washer. Eco-friendly tablets, natural effervescent foaming tablets, septic safe, made with less packaging. You can see how small the whole package is right here. Instant cleaning power. They do the cleaning for you by breaking up the calcium, lime, sediment, and the new materials of cotton and fibers that are in here that hard water buildup. So this is great. You know, you can have a year supply of this. Also helps eliminate odors, so that when you get your wash, it'll come out smelling fresher. Let's take a look at this right here. They look like. So they're very nice size, you can see right there. And you just throw them in your washer machine, normal cycle, and let the machine run as normal. And if you wipe it down, test it, you'll see that it's clean. If not, you can go for a second one. Once you do a maintenance run of one of these or two of these, then you'll be set to use them much slower over time. But it's a combination of various ingredients in there, and it's going to just help remove the breakdown of sediment and everything. So I love this product. I think you should get yourself this. It'll help you keep your washing machine running tip-top shape and keep everything cleaner in your wash. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.